Welcome to this Gear Text video. This is Carlos, and today's topic is the JavaScript and QML relationship. So let's get started. You might want to open your Qt IDE and use the last example that we did in the episode of QML basic elements. So QML expresses the user interface pretty nice, but it's limited in operational code. Therefore, we can use JavaScript to make some operation in QML files. In QML, JavaScript can be used for three different options. The first one is property binding. We can use JavaScript to bind variables values. For example, we set ID to mouse area, the mouse area element, and then we can bind this element in the text element and change the color of the text displayed in the screen. We can do easily by referring the mouse element to the slot preset. If we compile and run, every time that I press the button, it will turn out to be yellow, and when I release it, it will be green as a normal state. The second use of JavaScript is in the single handlers. On-click handler is triggered every time that the user presses the specific element, and those handlers are JavaScript handlers. So you can use it in almost every element in QML. The third use of JavaScript is standalone function, and we can also use inline functions in JavaScript. And as a matter of example, we're going to create a dynamic test using JavaScript. So the first step is to create a property in rectangle. Call it times present. Initialize it with a value of 0. This is kind of variable definition in C++. Then let's create a function inside mouse area. After that, we want to make the test to display the times that the rectangle was pressed. Therefore, in the test property, we set something like this. And in the end, let's call this function the mouse area on-click slot and use time preset as an interface of the object. Let's test it out. And now, every time that we press the raspberry, it will create the count. It will increase the count in the test. By the way, you might want to use JavaScript to a minimum and do all the business logic in Qt and C++ as in some future videos we're going to show. And you can continue press it. It's still counting a lot of times. So hope you find this useful. Thank you, and visit our webpage geartext.com.mx for some information about us. So thank you very much.